Maybe you've gotten some brand new windows or had some installed some time back. You're noticing that there's a moisture that shows up in the morning. I think the first thing a person thinks is, I have a seal failure. There's something wrong with my new window. That's not the case, especially if it's on the outside of the window, on the inside as well, but we'll get to that. Let's cover the outside first. Hey guys, Sean with American Window Concepts, and today let's talk about interior and exterior condensation on your vinyl dual pane windows. If it's a cold evening and the dew point level has been reached for the night, the outside pane of glass is susceptible to temperature drop, where the interior pane of glass is keeping the warmth inside the house. So the outside pane can get cold at night. As the temperature of the atmosphere gets colder, so does that exterior pane of glass. You may wake up to your windows showing condensation on the outside. First thing you want to do is you want to go outside, put your finger on it, and feel the moisture. If you feel it and you can see your fingerprint kind of leaving a mark, then you know that it's just condensation that's built up on the outside of the glass. This is a normal thing. It can happen. It's not gonna happen all the time, but if it's cold enough outside and there's enough humidity in the air, then it'll attach itself to the glass. Think of your glass of water. If you're pouring an ice glass of water and you left it on the counter, you'll start to notice condensation, appearing on the glass and creating that little water ring underneath it. Water isn't leaking through the glass. It's the condensation in the air that's attaching itself to the coldest surfaces. That would be the ice glass of water. Now, if the outside is cold enough, then you have that temperature drop, the moisture in the air can attach itself to that glass and then show up. And then by 10 a.m., the sun is warming everything up and then you see it dissipate. That's a normal process. I mean, you're gonna see that from time to time. On the flip side, if it's on the interior, when I see this, people usually lock up their windows and never open them. They take their showers, they're cooking, they're doing their laundry, they have pets, you're talking. I mean, when we're speaking, we're excreting moisture out of our bodies. All of this is in your house. So if you have brand new windows, and I talk about how tight they are when they seal, imagine you're standing inside of a vault and you got 5 people in there talking. At a certain point, it's gonna get very humid in there. Well, I'm not saying your house is a vault, but you've tightened up the envelope of your house. Now, that moisture can't get out as easily as it used to whenever you had the old single piece of glass or, no weather stripping on those windows, just poor performance. So air can go in and out very easily. So the house is breathing very well. So you don't want that. What you want is to be able to lock up the house tight. So when you have that, all those things are happening, the moisture in the house is very, very high. Well, it's going to reach a dew point level inside the house as well. So if it's cool enough, you start to notice it on the inside of the glass. It's moisture, rolling onto the frame. You're like, why am I, dealing with this issue? It's because you got to vent your house. You have to open up those windows every once in a while and let all that moisture out and put in fresh air. Hopefully this helps you. There's a lot of videos online that you can watch that get more in depth, more technical terms, but I just want to at least let you know, if you're seeing this, it's fine. It's normal. Just vent your house, from time to time, at least a couple times a week. If it's cold outside, just let all that humidity out. That's a normal phenomenon. That's just something that you're gonna see from time to time. It just lets you know that your high performance windows are doing their job. It's keeping the warmth inside and not allowing for that warmth to transfer out, and the exterior panel of glass is susceptible to temperature drop. There's your condensation showing up on the glass. Thanks, guys. Hey guys, thanks again for watching this video. If you want to be kept updated on new videos that are coming out, just hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much.